Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy A20e. So first, go into the settings, scroll down to the device care, now battery, power mode, and medium power saving. You can of course select the maximum power saving, but that would limit too much functions for me, so I'll stick with the medium power saving. Click apply, wait for it to turn on. Okay, next thing we can do is go to the display settings, and here select the adaptive brightness or just lower the brightness. Of course, you can always use the dark mode, that will consume much less battery. In quick settings, right here, disable all the functions that you're not currently using, so like the location, NFC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, torch, of course, flashlight, mobile data, etc. And you can enable the flight mode, but that would just disable all that functions. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.